What's the best way to start investing in real estate with little or no cash? Kevin Brach says, real estate investor without any money, make a plan. Know the market, private money lenders, equity partnerships, government loans, microloans, build a network. Luminita Ispas says, the best way is to buy a 3 to 4 unit building as owner occupied with an FHA loan. You'll have to occupy the building for a minimum of 1 year and you'll need only 3.5% down payment and the seller can cover all the closing cost. The best deal will be a property where you can live in the smallest unit and have the rental income from the other 2 to 3 units cover all the mortgage and expenses of the building. After a year, the property can become 100% investment property, and when you move out, the income from the unit you've lived in will become monthly cash flow that can cover or contributes towards your next mortgage payment or the rent on the place you'll move to. To make the deal even better, as IRS considers the largest part of the building an investment property, you will have depreciation added to the rest of the standard deductions a home will give you, and you'll get back thousands of dollars when you file your income tax. One of my clients, when filed his taxes this spring, he got back over $7,000. He is single, no dependents, bought a property worth about 450 kelvins and makes just about 100 kelvins. Tax saving will vary based on income, deductions and property purchase price. As you can see, the tax savings alone, over time add to a large amount. Over 10 years, my client would save about 70 kelvins, just because he owns this building. As an example, a 500K building can be purchased with only $17,500 down and have the seller pay the closing cost. The deal can get even better. You can use money from your IRA or 401k for down payment with no penalties or have the down payment gifted to you by a family member. Hyatt Simon says, I got my start with an owner-occupied duplex in Sacramento, California with an FHA loan. FHA requires 3.5% down, but coupled with local down payment assistance loans and grants, this down payment cost can be nearly zero or even below zero. If you're really aggressive, you can prospect for investment properties that the owner may want to sell but does not have listed on the market. Ideal situation. 1. Decent neighborhood. Usually means better tenants who will be more likely to qualify to rent, pay their rents and not damage the property. 2. Mix of multi-family and single-family homes. Usually results in better tenants and higher equity growth over time. 3. 2 to 4 units. More units usually means better ROI and less susceptibility to loss of income from vacancy. 5+ units require commercial financing and greater housing regulation. 4. Capitalization rate. The cap rate is used to describe the return on investment on a property. Annual net operating income divided by cost, or value. Things to look out for. 1. Bad capitalization rate. This is a business purchase, so don't let your emotions get in the way. If the numbers don't work out, move on. Don't accept a cap rate lower than 7%. 2. Money pit. Make sure to use an agent who is able to point out potential problems. Get a home inspection and don't buy a property that requires extensive repair, especially on your first one and when you don't have a ton of disposable income. 3. Vultures. There are lots of predators in the residential investment real estate market who use REITs to finance their purchases while risking members' money and offering usually a paltry return. REITs are best left to people who are quite well off and who have a lot of money to risk if things go sour. Thanks for watching our video on what's the best way to start investing in real estate with little or no cash.